Sand filters are one of the many stormwater management systems used to remove pollutants from runoff before it's discharged into natural water bodies or drainage systems. Sand filters in particular are notable for their compactness. They're typically installed underground and fit into a rectangular chamber that holds and then filters stormwater. Despite their relatively small size, they are just as effective as other types of stormwater systems and typically require less regular maintenance to stay healthy. As runoff moves towards the system, it usually passes through a forebay before entering the main system. The forebay is outfitted with pre-treatment, which filters out larger, more solid pollutants to reduce the load on the primary filtering mechanism. In the main part of the system, the pre-treated water flows through a layer of sand. As it percolates through the sand, physical straining, adsorption, and biological processes remove all kinds of pollutants before the water flows through the outlet and into a drainage system or directly into underground waterways. The specifications and design of each system is usually unique to the location and terrain where it's being installed. Sand filters are most often installed in underground chambers, but can also be installed above ground to look and function similar to other stormwater systems like rain gardens. Like other stormwater management systems, sand filters help improve the quality of stormwater by reducing pollutant levels, which protects downstream water bodies from contamination.